Alright, here is another SENA 10c EVO. This one's brand new. There it is in all its glory, brand new, out of the box. This will be the fourth one that I ruined the warranty on. But if all goes well, no one will ever need this warranty. So, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, I want to say I have at least 3 doing this exact same procedure. What I'm doing is taking out the 7 screws in the back of the 10c EVO. And I am going to say this is the version 2. And the version 2, they did a nice job sealing it up. They actually put clear silicone on all these screws. They did not do that with the version 1. So if you're out there on eBay and you're buying a 10c EVO version 1, I don't think I'd pay more than $50 for a 10c EVO version 1. If it's on eBay used, I don't think I'd pay more than $50 for one of these. You can get a brand new one with the 2-year warranty for about $160, maybe $180 after tax, shipped to your door. That's a pretty good deal. Okay, so I have 5 screws out. I have these 4 and the little tiny one at the top of the antenna. These, because of the silicone, those aren't going to come out. So what we want to do is find a spot and dig our thumbnails into it, and we want to separate the case. The case is held together pretty well. There is a seal, a black rubber seal in here that does a great job of holding this together. And do make sure that there's not a memory stick, an SD card, in your camera when you start pulling it apart. This case won't come apart. So you can kind of see that black seal right there. So what we want to do is we want to separate the case away so we can see the button that's right there. We're not going to open this thing all the way up. There's no need to take it that far apart. So these were out of stock for a while. And opening this one, I see that they did not do what I had showed SENA when I was dealing with them on warranty. But this is your camera switch, and if you use that camera button often, you'll break that switch off of the main board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, can you see that? I'm going to put a drop of hot glue on each side of that button. You wouldn't think that would void the warranty, but because this device was open, I'm sure SENA will have a problem with it. But if you look at it, I have just a dab of hot glue on each side, and when that hot glue dries, this button will not move whatsoever. You can push on that button, you can jump up and down on that button, and it is not going to come off that main board. That hot glue is probably, yeah, that hot glue's It's about 65 degrees in my garage right now. 20 degrees outside. So the hot glue is it's not gonna stay hot long. But once we get that dab of hot glue in there, we want to go around and we want to make sure that this seal and everything gets back in place correctly. Because if you ride like me and my friends do, we get caught in the rain all the time. Alright, so let's do the front. There's one. There's the second. And we're going to put a back one in. And we're going to put another back one in. We're going to jump to the antenna. That's going to be the little tiny screws going to be on your antenna if you don't lose it. I think if I lost that tiny little screw, I would probably cry for a second, but then I would remember that I have a 10c EVO version 1 sitting in my extra crap drawer, and I would just go ahead and scavenge a part off of that. This camera belongs to a buddy of mine, and I talked him into buying these when they had their Black Friday sale. And when he saw the price, $167, he jumped on it immediately. Because I have never said anything bad about the SENA 10c EVO product, other than that button breaks off the main board, and it is impossible to get the SENA no customer service to help you out. But that's the only fix that I've come up with. This unit should last my buddy at least 5 years. Out of my version 1, I got 5 years with no problem. So he should have no problem with this. All he does is listens to music. But I told him when he bought this, what its weak point was, this button. So tonight at dinner, he gave me the box. He said, fix it, and I'm going to give it back to him tomorrow when we meet up, and then he can put it on his helmet. We don't communicate with each other. These do an okay job communicating. My wife and I have one. But when we're riding, most of the guys I ride with who have communicators, they use them just to listen to music. So it's a bonus that the 10c EVO version 2 comes with the high definition headset. So that's a huge bonus. The camera is a nice added feature. So you don't have to put those nasty GoPros. Those GoPros are crap, right? This is a 4K camera right here, and it's on your helmet, and you don't have a big old white box or whatever, that rectangle that GoPro's selling. So think about getting yourself a SENA 10c EVO. It is absolutely in your price range right now. Right now. So jump on it. And this is New Year's Eve, in case you're wondering. So I hope your 2026 is just amazing. Thanks for watching this video.